Hello, so now I will show you this demonstration how to install Microsoft Authenticator on your phone. So I'm using Android, and now I opened the Play Store and I'm searching for Microsoft Authenticator. So now I click on install. So now we have to wait, it is downloading the app. So to be sure to use the right app, you can see that the symbol is a lock with a blue background. And if you use an iPhone, it's of course possible as well. You should open the App Store and search for the same application, so Microsoft Authenticator. Now it's installing. When it's done, you can open the app, data privacy, hit OK, and now scan QR code and allow your camera. Okay, now the second part, so it's on my computer. You open your web browser, you go for connect.fmi.ch/2fa. You will see on the screen. You provide your FMI username and password. So now I am typing. So now we are on the next page. So this is a screenshot on my computer. So you should see the QR code appearing on your screen. And so you put your mobile phone toward this code, having the app opened, the Microsoft Authenticator app with the camera on. Then your app should provide you the code. You will see at the bottom of the screenshot. You put this code in the fields and click on sign in, and it should be done. So at the end, if you need more detailed instructions, please see at the bottom of the video. We will add the instructions. Thank you.